For making a stable house to the earth, we need to make proper footing for a house. Then we make column and plinth for the house. To make footing we need bars. So cut some pieces of bars in length of 9 centimeters. Then bend this bars from both sides. To make proper footing, use cardboard sheet and place hole where we want to place bars. Then place all bars vertically and horizontally with maintaining some space between 2 bars. Then join all bars with less thread bar. To make footing, we want to join column with this footing at the same time of the concrete procedure. To make column, cut main bars and bend to make in shape of the square in eraser. Pass all stirrup bars through column bars and joint both bars at a bend with maintaining some space. Then remove the eraser from column bars. I maintain 1.5 centimeters between 2 stirrup bars. Then joint column and footing grill using thread material. Excavation procedure for foundation construction requires site clearance, setting out, excavation and safety measures based on the depth of excavation. Here we have not any earth, so we need to make miniature earth soil in wooden rectangle. After this mixing, pouring mortar inside, dig a footing without any time waste. You need to make sure pouring mortar without any air space. After this, level this surface using a trowel. I make mini trowel at home like in the picture.